Hello, everybody. How are you today? I hope you are good today. Okay, now let's start our English lesson. Teacher Abdraym кызы Nurjamал, grade 8, unit 12, lesson 9D. Okay, now we will play with you one game. This game is called alphabet. With the help of these letters, we will make up one words. For example, in this game, you will write these letters into your exercise copybook in correct order, and you can find a job that starts with each letter. For example, here, A, actor, B, builder, and N, nurse, M, mechanic, T, teacher, like this. Is it clear for you? Okay. You can write into your exercise copybook. Okay, what can you see in the first picture? In the first picture, you can see in the first picture house. And then in the second picture, good. You can see in the second picture car. Okay, take your exercise copybook and write down. You should write more than 3 sentences while describing these pictures. Each pictures you can write 3 sentences. You will describe these pictures. And then in the third picture, you will find 6 jobs that will be needed in the future. In the future, what kind of jobs will be? Yes, you can write your own with your own opinion. Okay, now we are going to learn with you one grammatical theme, will. When do we use will? We use will the first to talk about future, and secondly to make predictions. Here given usage of will and examples. Okay, let's pay attention to these ones. For actions, we use will for actions decided at the moment of speech. Biz биринчиден колдонуп атканда өзүбүздүн азыркы сүйлөп жаткан учурубузда чечилген бир кыймыл аракетти колдонот экенбиз. For example, here, I have a toothache. I will take a medicine. I have a toothache. Yes. Next, secondly, for unplanned future actions. Биздин келечектеги пландаштырылбаган нерселерибизге дагы, кыймыл аракеттерге дагы колдонсок болот экен will'ди. For example, winter will come soon. Winter will come soon. It is unplanned future actions. Okay, next, for offering, asking for a request and promising, ordering, etc. суранганыбызда, убада кылганыбызда, сунуш айтканыбызда дагы биз will'ди колдонсок болот экен. For example, I'm afraid we will get wet. The next, for unpreventable actions in the future. Here given examples too. Summer will come soon. The next, with conditional time and purpose clause. Абалды дагы, убактыбызды, абалыбызды дагы түшүндүрүп атканда дагы will менен колдонсок болот экен. For example, here given examples. When I arrive at home, I will call you. When I arrive at home, you should pay attention here. I will call you. I will call you. The next, for thoughts, predictions, and etc. I promise I won't tell this anyone. Биздин ойлорубузду бир нерсени алдын ала айтканда дагы will'ди колдонсок болот экен. Okay. Let's see the structures. Subject. Okay. What kind of subject pronouns do you know? Good. They are I, you, she, he, it, you, we, they. They are subjects here. After subject, you can add will, then verb 1, OPT or object. As you know, it has three forms: affirmative form, interrogative form, and negative form. Okay, let's read these examples for affirmative form. I will drink milk. Milk here, object. Drink here, verb 1. And will, it is rulers, and I, it is subject. The next, you will drink milk. You subject, will drink, verb 1. Milk, it is object. He, she, it will drink milk. We will drink milk. You will drink milk. They will drink milk. Okay, good. Interrogative form or question forms. In the question or interrogative forms, will should be at the beginning of the sentences. For example, will I drink milk? Will I drink milk? Will you drink milk? The next sentence. Will he, she, it drink milk? Will we drink milk? Will you drink milk? Will they drink milk? Negative form. For every negative sentence, you can add not. I will not. You will not. He, she, it will not. We will not. You will not. They will not drink milk. Here given to affirmative, negative, interrogative. Okay, you can write these rulers into your grammar book. Let's see some examples. In the first sentence, I lost my phone. I will buy. I will buy. Let's change this sentence into Interrogative. Will I buy? Negative. I will not buy. Next. What can you see in the first picture? Yes, you are right. Pencil. I will break my pencil. Okay, now your listening tasks. While listening, you will change. If the sentence affirmative, you will change interrogative and negative. If the sentence interrogative, you will change into negative and affirmative forms. Let's listen.
It will rain later, so take your umbrella. I will see you tomorrow. I will show you how to lift weights. Will you get me a drink, please? I'm sure they will arrive soon. Don't lift that. You will hurt yourself. I wonder if this will be okay for tonight. I will use my credit card. Okay, now it's your turn.
Okay, now it's your turn. You will write, for example, in the last sentence, I will use my credit card. This sentence given in affirmative forms, yeah? Okay, you can change this sentence into negative and interrogative forms. So let's change. I will not use my credit card. What about interrogative forms? Yeah. Will I use my credit card? For every sentence, you will change. Every sentence you will change into interrogative and negative forms and affirmative forms too, yeah? Now you will read this text. And before reading the text, you will write more than 3 sentences for this question. For example, in the first question, will all teachers will be robots in the future? How do you think? Will all teachers will be robots in the future? Okay, you will write your own opinion into your exercise copybook and you will read this text. While reading, you will underline the sentence. You will underline the sentence with will. Okay. The next task for you. Before completing this exercise, you should pay attention to look out. Let's see. Let's read. We use the short form of will after pronouns. After pronouns. You know the pronoun I, you, we, they, she, he, it, their pronouns, yes, subject pronouns. And we don't use the short form after the names or other nouns. You can't use the short form of will when, yes, after names or other nouns. There will be 20 people at the party. Jack. Jack it is name, yeah? That's why we can't use the short form of will. Jack will be there. Will you be there? Yes, I will. Okay, you will complete this sentence with the help of this lookout and using the will and want here. Okay, is it clear for you? You can write into your exercise copybook. Now your homework. In the first task, you'll complete the dialogue. Use a correct form of will. In the second task, you will complete the prediction about the year for this year and to give your own opinions using the will, affirmative, negative, or interrogate forms with your opinion. In the third task, practice making offers with I will and match the verbs and phrases here given examples. In this exercise, you will complete this. First of all, you will fill in the gaps using the correct form of future simple tense. Then match the sentence with the correct pictures. Okay. Did you understand this one? How can you understand? Yeah. Let's see the green card. Easy. I get it. I can do this myself. It's good. Okay. I need a little more help. It's just normal. And hard. I still need a lot of help. Okay. If you don't understand how to make a sentence with will, you can ask me. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye.